produce a video or short every day. Hey, what's happening, sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Before we get this video started, go ahead and give this video a big like. We're trying to get this video to 100 likes.
Yes, sir. Too easy. Too easy. Too easy.
So in today's video, we got the recaps, the Jordan recaps. Go ahead and start off, my brother.
Yes, sir. Recaps. On the 23rd of August, we had those Air Jordan 1s, those KOs, low bread. My brother always call them KO stands for knockoffs, right?
Yes, sir.
And all sizes are still available. So my brother,
Yes,
I
sir.
think you was right. I think you was right with that. You said they were gonna be sitting. Hey, and they sitting right now. If you're looking for a pair, all sizes are still available. What's next?
Yes, sir. So on the same day, they also released the Jordan 1 Low Atmosphere. I did think this was a clean pair, and I guess with the OGs being 140, that is a high price for lows. So they end up all sitting. All sizes still available on Nike.com and sneakers app. Sizes 7 through 14. You still want these sneakerheads, go and cop your pair.
Okay.
What we have next, my brother?
Also, that week came out those Air Jordan 4, which was women's sizes. It was a frozen moment. Hey,
Yes, sir.
those did sell out.
Uh-oh.
Hey, we weren't surprised by that. Yes, we weren't surprised by that. Hey, drop a comment down below if you weren't surprised with that. Yeah, that's a clean shoe, so it was a no-brainer.
So, Jordan 4s are in at this time. So, even though there was $225, they still sold out on sizes. So, hopefully, you got a chance to get you a pair of sneakerheads. Let us know in the comments were you rocking these or dropping these. So, finishing off the week, the same day we did have August 26th, Union collab. These were that woven material, the Jordan shoes. The Union collabs, they do well. And again, this Union collab did well and it sold out at a high retail price of $200. That didn't stop them from selling out. So, hopefully, I was able to cop a pair from the Union website themselves. Keep in mind, this company is based out of California. I still haven't got an email saying they shipped them, so I don't know what's going on with that. But when I will get them in, we will have an unboxing for those, so stay tuned for that, sneakerheads.
Yes, sir. Hey, and if you like content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said for sure, we're blessed.
Hey, bless others. Peace.